Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Mona here. Welcome back if you're new here. So today we're gonna do the usual unboxing of the beauty box. We've got Birchbox and Glossybox. So let's get it started. I'm gonna start unboxing Birchbox first. So this is the box from Birchbox, and I got a butterfly unboxing. And last month they had the one which you had to like open it up. This month we've gone back to pulling it out again. All the products in there. There is no leaflet, so I'm just gonna go with it. So the first item in the box is by Philip Kingsley, and it's the Luxicity Intense Super Conditioner Pre-Shampoo Treatment for all hair types. It says it adds luxicity, manageable bounce and shine to your hair, and it's for all hair types. And you use it before shampooing. Wet your hair and apply in sections. Work into hair with your fingertips. Cover with a plastic cup and leave for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. Rinse well. Follow with appropriate Philip Kingsley shampoo, conditioner and scalp toner, which I have all that. In past Glossybox and Birchbox, I've had a few of the Philip Kingsley products. I haven't used them. They're still in the boxes and I've stored them away. So it's gonna be another one to put in there. I've heard that the Philip Kingsley brand is really good. So yeah, that's the first item. The next item is a nourishing mascara. It's a volumizing and lengthening mascara enriched with almond oil. So that is the mascara, and it's cruelty free, and it's a travel size. The next item is a face sun cream of SPF 50, and it's this little small pot. So it's a travel size, like if you're going on holiday, you can take with you. Let's see, hopefully it doesn't leave like a white cast. Oh, this is beautiful, because usually some sun protections would give you like this white film when you put it on. This is just really nice, and you don't have any white cast looking like a ghost, so that's good. It does smell like a sun protection. If you use sun protection before, you would know the smell of it. I'm definitely going to be using this because I've been using sun protection because, you know, sun in the UK, London now. Even though it's spring, but it gets sunny. So I have been using sun protection before my makeup and also on my body, so I don't get any sun damage. Next product in the box is by Nooks, and this is the multi-purpose dry oil for your face, body and hair. So there's a sample size, and this is in the floral fragrance. I've seen these ones, like the gold one. I had one from a past beauty box, but it was a gold version, and it had like gold particles in it. But this one is completely clear, and it smells like flowers. It actually smells very flowery, and it says it's got perfume flower, hence why it smells like that. Rest of it is in French. Is this French? Yeah, made in France. I can't speak French for my life, so I can't read that. And this is in the 10ml size. The full size of these are like 30 to 50 pounds. Last item in the box is basically like you had to choose either a lip liner or a black eyeliner by Lord and Berry, but I chose the lip liner. This I think was in the shade Vintage Rose. I will just swatch it for you. See, this is how it's looking like on my skin. Excuse my scars on my hand. Pretty much that's how it looks like. You can use it as an all over lipstick if you want to. So that's everything from Birchbox. I'm actually quite disappointed that it wasn't a pull-up drawer with another mirror, but I've kept the other box from last month, so I love it. I use it like a little jewelry box, which is really good. The next beauty box is Glossybox, and we're gonna be unboxing this right now. Right, so as soon as you open it, it's got the leaflet in there. For some reason, my Birchbox didn't have any leaflets, so I couldn't tell you the prices of the items. Just to have a little peep of what's in the box. Let's go. And next month's sneak peek, you're going to be getting a collagen age rescue next month, which is worth £85. For anyone who's like into anti-aging, you'll be getting this in your box next month from Glossybox. It's nice. Oh, I love this. Love the glow items in the box. These are the items in the box. So the first item is by Barry M, and it's the Moscow Light Highlighter Palette. Ooh, once it's not broken, so that's a good thing. And it says it's got cream ingredient powder ingredients, which has talcum powder. So if you're someone who's allergic to talcum powder, you really can't use these. 4 cream and 2 powders. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 creams, and then the 2 powders are the ones in the middle. These are definitely not my shade, so I won't be using any of these, unfortunately. The cost of this is $7.99. Barry M, as I said before from my past videos, that they do have affordable products. If you're a teenager and you're starting off with makeup, you can get all your makeup products from Barry M. So as other people will be getting a contour palette, so I got a highlighting palette, but this is not my shade. The next item in the box is a Rose Mineral Blush by Annabella Minerals in the shade Rose. So this, from what I can see, I can't use this either, but it's sealed. I really can't use this. It kind of looks like Bare Minerals item, like a dupe of Bare Minerals. It's too light. It's 100% organic, and this retails for $12.50. It's more for like a medium tone. A light skin or Caucasian woman can wear this. I can't wear this. This is too light for me. The next item is a lip treatment by Beauty Kitchen. This is like a Vaseline. It's 100% natural, 0% petroleum. Quick fix for dry lips. It's in a tin just like Vaseline, the lip Vaseline that you can get in any beauty supply store or even Primark. This is a full size, and this retails for $2.99. This balm moisturizes and protects your lips for up to 8 hours, keeps them soft, beautiful and healthy. Better yet, the packaging is 100% recyclable and made from recycled tin plate. Good for the environment, great for your lips. Interesting. I like anything natural. Is it cruelty free? No. It's got castor oil, beeswax. That's probably why it's not cruelty free or vegan. Next, we've got an item from Mod Maxi, and it's an after mask mineral serum, pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting and nourishing. The instructions on the back say, wash your hands and face first, apply a thin layer to your face, leave the serum during day or night. Not tested on animals, it's cruelty free, paraben free, natural ingredients. I have heard of Mod Maxi, but I've never tried any item from them before. This is the full size. So this actually retails for £43. You can kind of say it's a luxury product or lifestyle product, if you want to call it. So it's quite expensive. I mean, for a small type of tube, it's quite expensive because there's a 30ml. Serums are really good for your skin. I started using serums. I'm trying my best, and I can kind of see a lot of difference in my skin using serums. It's good to have another one. The final item in the box is by Nail Berry Love Me Tender Nail Polish. It's a nude nail polish. I can actually paint my nails now to show you how it looks like. I've never had this type of shade of nail polish before. So this is pretty much the shade. Like a nude type of pink. It's very nice. It's made from Paris or London. And this retails for $14.50. It covers your nails with a unique film which allows air and water to pass through, ensuring your cuticles are protected even while wearing nail polish. I'm gonna have to start painting my nails now because my nails are cute or whatever. So I'm gonna have to start looking after it. Nails are pretty much breaking. Never tried this brand before. I've tried a couple of nail brands, but this is one I've never seen before, and it's made in London. It's cruelty free, woohoo, and it's recyclable as well. So yeah, this is a full size. So this month I got 5 full size items in the Glossybox. These are all of them. I'm paying about £10, excluding shipping. If you're subscribed to the new, like the yearly payment, you can be paying these for £8, excluding the shipping, not including shipping. So you're paying shipping like £3 something in difference. In all full size products, and basically you think about it, this is £8. Just one item is £8, and you get 5 full size products for £8. 5, not 1, 5. So that's really good. This month, Glossybox, it says that you can find a golden ticket. I didn't get a golden ticket, but I got free contactless trial. You get £40 off for your first meal on HelloFresh. And then you get £30 off from your first grocery shopping. So you got a voucher and everything. So yeah, that's everything I got on the beauty box of May. Comment below which products you've tried before. Let me know how it went for you, and if you got any of the boxes this month, let me know. If you've started trying any of the products in the box, let me know how you're using it. Let me know how it's working for you, and do let us know if you like it, any of the items in the box. Enjoy the spring. I'm gonna be doing some spring makeup tutorials soon. I hope you like this makeup. It was really quick. I didn't record it because I need to go out and then I have to go swimming, so I'm gonna have to take all of this off after all that. Talk to you guys later. Have a lovely spring day. Enjoy the weather and wear your SPF, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and have a nice day. Bye.